left it a little bit and not gotten inside. So let's have a look at what I've got, whether it's soap supplies or maybe my Lush fund finally arrived. Let's see what we've got. Alrighty. So let's do that. I've got an audience who wanted to see what this is too. So, oh, this is nice. Spicy Ginger came in the mail, and this one is Forever Red. That's a nice big bar. I like that. What do you think, Ken? You like it? You can go ahead and talk.
Hey, this dress rehearsal or?
No, honey, we're on live.
We're on live.
You're on live, yeah.
Oh, okay. Shall I? Hey.
Okay, clapping. Okay. All right. So the next thing in here are bath bombs. I didn't even order these. Thank you so much, Spicy Ginger. This is awesome. Look how cute. It's got little star indents. You see that? Get that what it smells like. You'll have to come over here and get a smell-o-vision if you want to smell it. You'll have to come over and smell it when you're done.
It smells like a rose?
You can, yeah, it kind of does. This one is called Angelic. Oh, so it's a designer dupe. So Angel's one of those. Can you smell? You think is that good? You like that one? Okay, so we've got two positive reviews there. What else did they order? Oh, candy apples. See, these are so pretty. And she's used a type of band so that you can smell the soap. I've been looking into some new, and you can get it off easier. Some soap bands. I think Wholesale Supplies has them, but I'm not sure. This is candy apple. It's very sweet and very powdery and very, very strong, which is awesome. It makes it a lot different from mine. Mine are less perfumey and rinse away because I like to layer my fragrance. But I'm thinking about doing a perfume line now after doing this. This is nice. Another sample. Look at that. That is a good size sample. Thank you. Thank you. This is gorgeous. I can't believe all the stuff I got in here. All I did was buy 3 bars of soap, and I got 2 bath bombs and 4 soap. 5 soap. Oh my gosh. There's another one. Oh, and a sweet, sweet note is handwritten. Thank you for your purchase. I've included a few extra goodies. I hope you enjoyed. From Billie at SpicyGingersSoap. Thank you, Billie. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Ooh, this is cute. That's nice. I am in love with your products. You have done such a beautiful job. Tutti Frutti. So there's a fruity one. Oh, that's really right. That reminds me of like Smarties. It's a candy. I think it's like Smartie candies. Yeah, it reminds me of the powdery candies or the lemonade Japanese candies. Oh, that's nice. And look, it's got such cute little embeds. That's going to be gorgeous in the bath. We'll have to do a demo. What do you think, guys? Do some bath bomb demos? Tired of seeing mine. Let's see what these ones look like. Oh my gosh. And for the last one, I got a pretty swirl called Forever Red, a candy one, and then I got a floral one. So I got a neroli bar, which is a little smaller, but neroli is really precious. Yeah, that's neroli. And for those of you that don't know, neroli is the blossom from the citrus fruit. True Mediterranean orange blossom. This fragrance fills the air with an aroma of fresh neroli flowers. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. This was way more than I would have gotten at Lush, and I am so, so, so happy. And all the way to Canada. Thank you so much, Billie. Bye for now, guys. Bye from Spicy Ginger, and get some of these great goodies for yourself. All right, I know I will be buying from her again. This is awesome. This is awesome. This will make nice gifts, and this will also, oh, who am I kidding myself? I'm going to use them all. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.